I saw a video the other day from Ghosty. Yeah, Ghost 57 he used to be known as, but he's now known as Ghost Station now. I think. Don't quote me on that. I might be wrong. But he said that he showed a video of him inside his laptop, and he's got this on one of his laptops, 24.04 Ubuntu, right? He could not get the deb version of Firefox installed. So in this video, that's what we're going to do. Now, I do not condone doing this. It all depends. It's up to you, the user, if you want to do this or not. But believe you me, what a stupid saying. Believe you, believe me. Believe you me. I don't understand that saying, but hey ho. It works here in VirtualBox, and I have done this on real hardware as well, but not in Ubuntu because I would never install this onto real hardware. But I have done with stuff like Xubuntu 24.04, 22.04 as well. I've also done this in, is it Linux Lite? No, not Linux Lite, because they don't have snap packages activated out of the bag. What's the other one? There's another one that's got snap packages in it. Xubuntu. I've done it in Mate as well. I have done it, and I've done it on real hardware as well. All right, to get rid of these, basically snapd. Just get rid of it, purge it. So that's what we do first in this video. Let's get on with it. Otherwise, I'm going to rabble on and people are going to be saying, what the hell is he on about? So here we go. In this video, I demonstrate, and I'll leave a link for you to download below. Or I've got to say to the bloody side now, and to the right side. If you go on over to the right side of this video, there'll be a link in the description below to my Dropbox where you can download the scripts that I'm using here. Okay, all right, with full-on instructions, okay, as well. All right, let's get on. So first things first is to get rid of remove Firefox, and you got, because it's a snap, of course you got to put sudo snap remove Firefox. So that is what I do. Now I have speeded this video on up to 160 times. Okay, so hopefully there we go. Okay, I haven't speeded my voice up. Maybe I should speed my voice up as well, just slightly, maybe, who knows. Right, next is to purge snapd. So off we go, we purge snapd, and away it goes. Whooshy whoosh, go on, out of it. Bye bye. Now all those drives that are coming up down at the taskbar at the bottom there, I don't know why that comes on up, but it always does. Just reboot and they will disappear. Okay, so just reboot your computer after you've got rid of snapd. Okay, so, and then back in. Soon in the future, we won't be able to do this because Ubuntu will be just snaps all the way on through. But hey ho. Right, next. What are we doing next? Right, we open up that. Open up documents. I go on down actually to see if they had the GNOME Center in or not, because I don't know what it is that they use. They use everything else GNOME. I didn't know it was their own little shop that they had. The Ubuntu Center. Yes, so I wasn't sure, so I put that command in that says sudo apt remove purge GNOME software plugin snapd. That is what I put on in, and put my password in, and of course it says no, it's not even installed. So next we go on over and we find the Firefox on Snap on Ubuntu 22.04, not Snap. Okay, so here's the PPA. Now what you will see when I put this PPA on in, it says that it's a weak algorithm or something when I put this on in, but don't worry about it, it still works. You know, everybody's becoming too security conscious these days, really are. All right, but like I said many times before, you're the antivirus at the end of the day. All right, I hate that saying, the end of the day, because you go to bed at the end of the day unless you're working nights like I do. So I installed Nala there. Okay, so now I'm putting my aliases in. I got fed up with putting sudo in all the time, so I'm going to put that into my bash rc. Okay, and then we'll get on and get Firefox installed, and everything should be tickety-boo. Yeah, it took me a while to find out where the hell is the save thing. Not up there. Where is it? Go back in there. It's not in there. View options, main menu, and there we are, save. Yeah, that's GNOME editor or some text editor or something that they're using now instead of Get It. Right, copy that, paste that into there, the Mozilla thingy. And what you will see, of course, when it comes on up, a weak thingy majigget, that's what comes on up. There we are. Down the bottom there, after that long code, it says uses weak algorithm. But don't worry about that, all right? Now, this order here where it says echo, I can't write all of that on down because it won't come out the same. So that's why you've got the actual text itself of what's on there, the document itself, all right? And then we copy that, paste that on in there. Now, do an update. So put in sudo apt update or whatever you're using before you put sudo apt install Firefox. Always update. Oh, for God's sake, that's what I was trying to do there. But of course, come on, get on over. That's it, in there. Upd is my update, that's my alias. But yeah, update, so it updates the repositories, okay? Now, what we do next is that we install Firefox. So come back over to here and we get Firefox, okay? But you put in sudo apt install Firefox, or if you're using Nala, sudo apt sudo Nala install Firefox. All right, and there we are. So that's the deb version installed, okay? Now it's also going to be updating as well through that. What are we doing next? We're just going to wait a little while because my brain's gone all foggy, okay? Right, closing that off now. The next thing that I do is, of course, that I open up Firefox and we go on down to help and we go about Firefox, and as you can see, that is the deb version of it. There's no mention of snaps whatsoever. It's 128.0 64-bit version of it. If it's the 128, is that the version that we're on now? I have no idea. 128.0 though, so it's in there. Everything's tickety-boo. And it just works, so no worries there at all. So that is it from me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. For now.